an app that exists that you should know about. It's called Allbetter, and it's making the homeowners experience and the contractors literally all better. Let me show you how it works. Pick a category, enter your job details, whatever that might be. Allow you to upload pictures as well as videos. Next, type in your address where the service needs to be done, set the date and the time when the service will take place, and you have an options to even name your own price. You can pay per project or pay hourly. If you don't know, you can just always hit the open to any bid. This is your job summary. Now you're ready to send out your job to the world. As soon as you hit submit, your address, your phone numbers, your personal information stay private, but your work order goes out to all the contractors in your area, giving them a chance to respond back to you in the form of bid. You can chat with anyone, read reviews, and make your hiring decisions. It's easy peasy. Check them out. Download the app today at allbetterapp.com.